Hey, welcome back, and we're in the ITC located right here in Abercorp Benzol's US headquarters. So in the first video, we discussed some simple guidelines in selecting the right power supply for your applications and your needs in the field. I have to really emphasize proper setup and safety precautions are crucial when using the EX-TRAFIRE 85 HD. That includes goggles, a welding hood, a jacket, ear protection, boots, gloves, and also be mindful of the metal vapors and use these in a well-ventilated area. Okay, so the box arrives and we're gonna start with a simple setup. So really what comes in the box? 85 that's here in front of me. It comes with a cutting torch. It comes with a work lead clamp that you clamp onto the workpiece, operating instructions, and a starter kit for the consumables. So let's move to a close-up and we'll go through how we assemble this torch and some of the consumable parts and pieces. Okay, keep in mind that you can get all of these consumables individually. So a lot of our competitors, they sell them as a cartridge. THERMACUT didn't want to go that route. So let's just kind of go through the parts and pieces, and we're going to assemble this cutting torch. So we're going to start with the swirl ring. Then the electrode goes in this way. Then we're going to put the nozzle on. And then this whole assembly drops into this retaining cap and shield. Screws onto the end of the torch, and you're ready to cut. We've gone through an open box, what's in there, what's included, how do we assemble the cutting torch. But there's a couple things I need you to keep in mind. Always wear your PPE when using one of these units and use it in a well-ventilated area. All the torch consumables are able to be replaced as needed, so there's no cartridges. And as always, you can find this information on our website, including the individual part numbers. I also encourage you to like and subscribe to these videos if you're finding them useful, but you can always reach out to our team if you have questions about the EX-TRAFIRE HD. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.